Good afternoon. So we're happy to present this 2012 on a 12 plate VW California, and this is a factory California in SE spec, so the top spec level that they do. They changed that derivatives on the newer ones to Ocean, but basically means you get all the bells and whistles included, which I'll talk you through now, and it really is a lovely van. So finished in black, as you can tell. It's covered just over 99,000 miles from new, and it's the 180 brake horsepower variant, so I do this in a 140 and a 180, and this is the 180. And to back up those miles, it's got 6 services all the way to 96,000, so lovely provenance there on the service history side of things. It's got an upgraded front bumper and grille with LED lights, and I've taken pictures of the functionalities of that. Side steps that you can see there. It's also got roll-out awning. Obviously you've got the pop top in the open position, and that's fully electric from the inside, and again I'll show you all of that. Also got the blown air heating inside, and that's set off the same control panel, and you set your fridge off there also. I've set it all up so you can see it in its sleeping position, and I've taken pictures of how that bench seat looks when it's up. Obviously it's 4 seats when that is up in the seat position. Mattress topper that goes on top of the seats. There you can see the seats underneath. Then you've got your fridge there to the left hand side, a little cubby hole behind it, another cubby hole up there that pulls down. Obviously you've got all your lighting throughout, and this is now currently running off the leisure battery, but obviously once you plug it into the mains, then obviously it runs off the mains power. Underneath there you've got your 2-point gas hob, and then your little sink. Obviously you've got water pump and water tank on board also. In the locker at the bottom there, you've just got storage on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you've got the little tray to fit the porta potty in there if you so wish. Both front captain seats, and I've turned those around so you can see those how they are. There's the control panel that you use to operate obviously your heating, and you check all your voltage on your battery, but you can flick through there and turn obviously your temperature on your auxiliary heating, and we've also got the remote for that also. Okay, up into the double bed up here, really massive space. You could probably sleep 3 kids up here in all fairness. Windows open when you shut it, really important. Sony stereo, heated seats, that's part of it being the SE. But really lovely condition. Your chairs and your table folds into the back of this door, and then your chairs go into that pouch up there, so they zip into there nicely tucked away, and you've got yourself a nice little set of table and chairs. Really nice. And again you've got a little cubby there to the left hand side, and then your space underneath there. That also lifts up if you so wish, depending on how you want to travel, but you can lift that more upright to give yourself more boot space. 4-bike rack, if you can see that on the top there. Alloy wheels, I don't know if I mentioned that. There's your electric hookup and your fresh water fill up. It's just a fantastic van, and when you look at, considering these are 80,000+ pounds when they're new, this just looks like great value for money, and the layout has barely changed. I mean, you compare this to the new ones, and the layout is pretty much identical, so you're getting everything that new one does for a lot less money. But look, I've taken 30+ pictures, and hopefully given a good explanation on the advert as to what it is and what all the functionalities are. But if you require any further information, or you'd like to inquire into financing, purchasing, or booking an appointment to come and view it, then please feel free to give one of us a call at the office. That number's 01922 458 222, or if you prefer, you can drop us an email. That's sales@marshallandsonmotors.co.uk. Or thirdly, you've got the option of WhatsApp. Just click on the icon on our website, that'll bring you directly through to ourselves, and we'll endeavour to answer any queries that you may have on the vehicle.